GPD Pocket 4 Mini Laptop. The 8.8-inch beast that makes your big laptop look dumb. Ever tried to finish code on the go, edit a file mid-flight, or game during travel, only to feel betrayed by clunky laptops or weak tablets? The constant lag, bulk, and drained batteries kill your focus and momentum. Every wasted second feels heavier, and every failed attempt to work or play leaves you stuck, frustrated, and second-guessing your setup. Deadlines don't wait, and neither do clients. Imagine stress spiking as your laptop wheezes under workloads, overheating in your bag, or dying mid-presentation. Burnout creeps in when missed opportunities stack, deals lost, projects stalled, creativity strangled. The pain is unbearable. Hours wasted, motivation leaking, and a sinking feeling that your portable device is more deadweight than lifeline. Meet the GPD Pocket 4 Mini Laptop, a pocket-sized revolution that crushes the limits of ultra-portables. Built with the AMD Ryzen AI 9HX370 processor, Radeon 890M graphics, and a dedicated NPU for AI acceleration, this 0.7 kg aluminum-clad beast delivers desktop-class power in your palm. With 32 GB LPDDR5X RAM, and a blazing fast 2 TB PCIe Gen4 SSD, multitasking is smooth, storage is abundant, and boot-ups are instant. Its 8.8-inch 2.5K, 144Hz touchscreen dazzles with 97% DCI-P3 color, ideal for coding, editing, or streaming in vivid detail. The pure copper cooling system keeps temps cool even under load. One sysadmin said, "I ran multiple SSH terminals and virtual machines on a train, no lag, no heat, no panic." With ports galore, dual USB 4, HDMI 2.1, USB-A, microSD, RJ45, expansion modules, you'll never beg for dongles again. Whether gaming, creating, or running AI apps on the go, the GPD Pocket 4 transforms stress into power and frustration into flow. Why are influencers, analysts, and hardcore users calling the GPD Pocket 4 a watershed moment for mini laptops? Because it doesn't just shrink performance, it reinvents portability. Analysts rave, desktop-class performance meets true pocket size. Tech reviewers marvel, this thing defies physics, AAA games, and editing on a device smaller than an iPad. Sysadmins confess it replaces the need for bulky laptops in the field. Even skeptics admit the CNC aluminum shell feels premium, sturdy, and built to last. The 144Hz touchscreen glides like silk, whether swiping, typing, or flipping to tablet mode. Creators gush over battery life up to 14 hours playback plus 100-watt fast charging, banishing midday outlet hunts. Gamers report smooth 1080p sessions with Radeon 890M, while pros celebrate seamless multi-monitor setups via dual USB 4 and HDMI. The modular expandability, CoVM, RS-232, for G, adds hidden versatility for power users. And the cooling? Users note it stays steady under fire, keeping performance locked in. So, is this the mini laptop that kills ultrabooks? Thousands already think so. The Pocket 4 isn't just portable, it's unstoppable. Warning, stock is limited. The GPD Pocket 4 Mini Laptop is already blowing minds, selling fast to gamers, developers, and creators tired of bulky laptops and weak tablets. Join thousands who've upgraded and swear they'll never go back. With desktop-class specs, pocket portability, and future-proof AI acceleration, this is your moment. Don't wait, secure yours today, or watch them vanish while you're still carrying deadweight. Act now. Power has never been this portable.